Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add products from Printful onto Squarespace, or how to do print on demand on Squarespace. The first thing you will need to do is create an account on both platforms. So you're going to create an account on Printful, which you can do for completely free. All you'll need is your email address, and you're also going to create an account on Squarespace, which you can also do for free. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have tapped on Get Started, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do now is simply answer some quick questions on Squarespace. So you can see the questions right here. Let me scroll down real quick as soon as this page loads up. You can see, so what's your site about? All you'll need to do now, you can choose any one of these categories, or for this example, I'll simply tap on skip. After you have done that, what are your top goals? You can choose any one of these options. So for this example again, I'm going to simply tap on sells products. Let's do that. Then I'm going to tap on next. After you have done that, how would you like to get started? And you can choose to either build a custom template with Squarespace Blueprint or choose a professionally designed website template. I'm going to tap on choose a professionally designed website template. Then I'm going to tap on finish. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can select a template of your liking. So let's say, for example, I like this template. I can simply tap on start with. Then you're going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI uploads, or better yet, create your website on Squarespace. Once the website has been created, I will show you what to do next. But in the meantime, you could go onto Printful. Once on Printful, and again, I hope you have signed up by now, so you would be on a dashboard just like this. You're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Stores. After you have selected Stores, you are going to simply scroll down a bit, and you can see that I've connected it to numerous platforms. All you'll need to do is scroll down, tap on Choose Platform. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down until you see Squarespace, which you can see right here. You're going to tap on Connect. Once you have tapped on Connect, what I want you to do next is scroll down. Then you're going to tap on Connect right here. So let's do that real quick. Then you're going to be redirected to this page and you're going to simply tap on Allow. Once you have tapped on Allow, you will be redirected to a new page again and you're going to tap on Continue. So let's do that real quick. Then tap on Connect Store. You're going to tap on the red button. And once everything has been synced, you will be redirected to a new page, and on this new page you are going to tap on Add Product. So let's do that real quick. After you have tapped on Add Product, you have two options. If you are completely new to Printful, you are going to tap on the search box right here and you can search for the type of item that you would like to add your design to. For example, a hoodie, t-shirt, cup, anything at all, you can add your design to, whether it be a pot, water bottle, anything, as you can see right here. If you are not new to Printful, all you'll need to do is tap on My Product Templates and you will see products that you have created in the past, and from there you could simply tap on the product that you would like to add. But I'm going to assume that you're new to Printful, so I'm going to tap on New Products. Then let's say, for example, I would like to add a design to a cap. So I'm going to simply tap on this cap right here. Once you have done that, you're going to be redirected to the design page. On the design page, you have a few options. You could tap on Uploads and you could upload your design. And by the way, you can create stunning designs using Canva, or if you want, you can hire a freelancer to do it. So if you don't want to do that, all you'll need to do, if you don't want to upload a design, you could tap on Clip Art and you could create a design. But I'm going to be applying this design that I created earlier. So I'm going to tap on Apply. and you can see it right there how it looks. Now all I'll need to do is simply tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After I've tapped on continue, you can now choose whether you like to create custom mockups or use a basic mockup. I'm going to be using a basic mockup for this example. So you can see the different mockup options. So you can see them right there. You can choose which one of these images you'd want as your main image. After you have selected it, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here you can edit the product description. So you can see it right there. So you must pick at least one store page. Okay, as you can see earlier it was asking for you must pick at least one store page. The store page is, or better yet to find it, all you'll need to do is scroll down and you're going to see store pages, and from there you can select shop. If you don't see shop, what I would recommend you do is simply go back into your Squarespace site, and then from there you could complete the setup. After you have completed the setup, you will simply go back into Printful. Then you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on continue, from here you can simply scroll down and then you can set your price. So you can see right here, let's set the price. So I will set it at, you can see set retail price. You can choose whether you would like to set it at, let me set it at $30. Then tap on set. After I've done that, I'm going to tap on submit to store, and you can see it is being submitted to my store. Once it has been added onto my store, I will show you how it looks. Once the product has been added, as you can see right here, what I want you to do next, you're going to go back into Squarespace. Once on Squarespace, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you can tap on home. Once on home, you're going to tap on commerce right here. After you have tapped on commerce, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can tap on products, and from there you're going to see this page pop up and you'll be able to see the product that you have added, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. If I should tap on the three dots, tap on preview, you will see how it would look on my storefront. As you can see right here, all of the information has been filled out. Thanks again for watching.